Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing a video on my fireworks stash. So, I got a few new things, but I'm going to go over anything anyway. So, I got box twister sticks, a couple speedballs, a crappy firecracker, a crackling salute, some Dominator baked bees, 3 boxes of Neighbor Haters, 4 other chaoses, 3 boxes of crackling salutes, silver sprangler, not that good of a fountain, rain dance, not a good fountain, don't recommend getting it, crazy eyeballs, morning glories. The next table got 6 boxes small bees, 4 packs mad bats, lit one off for the demo. Got a pack of mad bees, 6 more boxes of Neighbor Haters, and some Fly Me to the Moons, and 2 color spaceships. So here's the other things I got today. I got Catfight, Little Big Show, Killer Bee Fountain, Dancing Butterfly Fountains, a Tasmanian Devil, 2 Noisy Boys, 3 things crackling balls, pull string, smoke grenade, some of these Lotus lanterns, 4 of those in the back, got Pyrus Pro Strobe, and 2 things of ground balloons, of crackling ground balloons pretty much. So yeah, that's about it, what I got all around here. So yeah guys, I'll probably have another update soon, and bye.